Hi guys, and welcome to Tech Anorak. So I'm going to attempt to modify these skins from Xtremeskins. They're really good quality, but if you've watched my channel before, I don't like the skins that go around the edges. I only like the ones that cover the back. And Xtremeskins, they unfortunately don't do ones that just cover the back. So I'm going to mod this green one because I thought it's a bit like the Pixel 5A green, which is the only colour they do. So I've got my mate Stanley out again, ready to go. Metal ruler and just me, what's the word? Chopping board. Okay guys, so let's have a go. So if you again watched me before, whenever I try a bit of creativity or DIY on this channel, stuff normally ends up badly, so try not to cut a finger off. Looking good. Brilliant. So yeah, need to get my air dryer on that. So get that done and we'll see the results in a bit. Okay, so some weeks have gone by since I modded this. I've just been busy and didn't get around to getting the wife's hairdryer out. But yeah, so as you can see guys, I modded it so that all these corners have been cut off, which you'll see in the video anyway. And let's see how we can do now. Normally if you film stuff it goes wrong, but let's have a go. Okay guys, so it's not totally perfect. So I've got a little bubble there and one here, but I'm pretty impressed. It's a nice finish. I'm going to leave the sticker off. You do get a sticker for the G, if you can see that guys, but I'm just going to have a blank hole I think, but I'm pretty impressed. And my edges, they come over a little bit. They don't look too rough, I don't think. I'm pretty impressed, but I think that's a nice colour. Let me know what you think, guys, in the comments. Oh, you know what, guys? I might try that. I'm going to put that camo on as well, onto my camera bump. Let's do that. Might as well. So just make sure my camera's working, guys, and it's not been covered at all, that lens. Yeah, I don't believe it has. There's nothing in the way there. Just try my flash. Make sure the flash is okay. Yeah, it all looks fine to me. So right, just give this a blast as well. So I'm going to take the G off here. It'll come off nice. There we go, guys, and then orange G for Google. I think that sets it off nice, actually, that orange. Okay, guys, so yeah, I have put that orange bezel on as well. Push that down a bit. The good thing about heating it up, it makes it all really pliable, but that'll, stick on well. So yeah, I think that looks really cool, and let's see what it's like in the case. Yeah, like that. Right, okay, guys, so I'm definitely going this time. Take Anorak out. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments about this one. Take care. See you on the next one.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.